Alright boys, tune day man. It's time to tune the Vortech. So yeah, last video, it was a Q&A, and in that video, I was kind of just like answering all your guys' questions, you know, yapping for like 30 minutes. Appreciate all the love on that video, but during that video, I was kind of fixing a problem that was on this car. I was fixing a vacuum leak, and that's pretty much why I haven't been able to drive this car a lot and like step on it, because it's still in the base tune, but I needed to fix the vacuum leak to get off the base tune. Now that we did that, today is officially dyno day. Fingers crossed everything goes well. Dyno days always freaking scare me. You just never know. I'm just hoping that the Mustang behaves today and it just, you know, runs good and everything goes right. So let's go and head there to the shop. It's about like a couple minutes away, and let's see how much power this thing makes. Mustang's on the dyno. But damn, I'm so excited. I don't know what to expect, but we're about to hear this thing scream, bro. So loud, bro. Damn. LS swap G35. That's it.
It's sleeper. It looks stock, but look.
Oh, really?
Good. All the factory gauges work on it. Everything's stock.
Damn, bro. Oh, it's good?
618 letting off early.
Oh, damn.
What's up, man?
How you doing,
George?
Mr.
Nice to meet you.
LS3.
Man, we met before, man,
Yeah,
at Lamar's shop.
Right.
Okay, sticky.
But right now it's on the wiring specialties, like 5K, you know, max RPM. So I put 500
Yeah, I think
miles.
it's so clean. I've always had a sweet spot for G35s. Like growing up when I was a kid, these just came out and I was like, bro, I always loved the way they sound. It was just so cool. Like early, I forgot when these came out, like early 2000s. I've always had a thing for freaking G35s. But that's sick. LS3 crate engine, crate motor, brand new LS3 in this. That's so cool. I think first pass he said it was like 6 something, low 6s. That was the very first pass. Second pass, 659.
So that's going to 6,400 RPM.
64?
Yeah, well, 65. So I'm gonna cut the RPM out of 68, and that's it.
Okay. They're saying we can hit 700, but since I don't have the oil pump gears, it's kind of risky. So he said easily 700, but he doesn't know if he wants to push it that far. Pretty solid, bro. I was kind of guessing this kind of mid to high 600s. That was only the second pass too. There's one small issue he was telling me. Sorry for the wind noise. But this is leaking coolant, that little nipple right there under the cap. I was thinking maybe because the cap isn't sealing fully, but I noticed after, you know, he lets off, a whole bunch of coolant comes out of here. I guess worst case is the head gasket lifting, but we think it's just the cap. Maybe like a bad seal on the cap or something. So loud. 683. Oh my gosh, dude. This keeps going higher and higher.
Dubbing this out to like 11.8, 12 OAFR, and I add a little bit more time, and it's gonna be like 650, 7, maybe even 800.
Damn. I think this run for sure will hit some. We'll hit 700. I just put like a couple gallons of E85 in the car right now, so I think this definitely will clear 700 right here. Crazy loud. I think that's what we're looking at, bro. 704, 538. Heck yeah. Yeah, he's saying he could probably easily make 800 with this setup on ethanol. But I would probably need to do, obviously, oil pump gears, and I would actually need a full fuel pump setup, because right now I'm only running a booster pump, a max flow fuel pump booster, and that's it. So it's stock fuel pump, and I might have to upgrade injectors if I were to go full E. I'm on 1050s right now. That's crazy, bro. 800 if we go full ethanol. But yeah, as of now, it's just a kind of just like a mix. I put like 3 gallons of E85 with a full tank of 91. So kind of just like a I don't know what you call it, E30 blend or something like that. But solid, bro. 704. 538. I cannot wait to drive it, bro. The base map was kind of running, you know, a little rough, but I'm sure with obviously now that he dyno tuned it, it's probably running so smooth and crazy fast now probably, so I'm excited, man. Oh my gosh, okay. So I'm sorry I didn't film my first reaction, but I've done a couple pulls on the freeway, some third gear pulls, and oh my gosh. This car is a completely different car, man. Now it's fast for me, bro. 700 horsepower. That is the fastest car I have ever owned. I can tell right off the bat, obviously the Vortech supercharger, it acts more like a turbo. So it doesn't really kick in until like 4,000. So it's not like instant torque, you know what I mean? It literally builds up like a turbo. That's kind of like how this supercharger is. I forgot what it's called, the correct name of this exact supercharger. It's not like a typical supercharger. The Vortech itself is more of like a turbo supercharger fusion. Pretty cool. I kind of have like both, I guess you could say. It's pretty quick, bro. I'm definitely glad I have freaking 345s Michelin's in the rear because it definitely needs it. Oh man, it's so much smoother too versus the base map. Oh, I'm so glad, dude. Try to do a second gear. 4,000. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. What the? See, I'm telling you, bro. I cannot vlog while doing a pull with this car. That wasn't even all the way either. That was probably like 75. I kind of backed out. Bro, it literally feels like a turbo. I love that. Oh my gosh, dude. This is insane. So loud. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Straight Boeing 747, bro. Just cruising down the street. That never gets old, man. Just hear this whistle, this blow off valve. Alright, let's do some pulls, man. 700 horsepower. We just broke 700 horsepower on the dyno. Honestly, solid numbers. More than what I expected. Yeah, let's see, let's get a better feel of what 700 feels like. Oh my god. Kind of kicked out on second. Second gear is just crazy, bro. Second gear is wild. Second gear is just wild, bro. Make sure there's no cops. Woo! Oh my god. Dude, no. No, second gear is too much. That's insane. That's freaking insane. Oh, let me go this way. No brainer. This is the #1 pick for me. I knew I wanted to go Vortech before I even bought this Mustang. I knew I wanted to put this kit on. A lot of people always like say, oh, why didn't you go like Pro Charger? A lot of people throw Pro Charger, the word Pro Charger around, but Pro Charger is not a certain type of supercharger. A lot of people think that. Pro Charger is simply just a brand name for a supercharger. There's no such thing as a Pro Charger, but there is a supercharger with a brand named Pro Charger. Now that was a lot of chargers right there. Long story short, a Vortech and a Pro Charger are pretty much the same thing, just rebranded. So I guess technically you could say my Mustang is Pro Charged. A lot of people throw that word around thinking it's like a specific type of supercharger, but it's not. Yeah, man, this setup is so freaking sick. The Vortech V3, max flow race blow-off valve, injector dynamics, 1050 injectors, and a max flow booster pump or fuel pump booster, whatever you want to call it. That was pretty much it, man. Smash the like button, man. Supercharged Mustang GT. I can officially say I have a 700 horsepower supercharged Mustang GT. Bro, I freaking dreamed of that before I even bought this car, like I said. That's crazy, man. Should I do a first gear? Oh gosh. All right, let's try it. Oh! Oh, I missed third, but what the heck? Oh shoot, I missed third, but that was crazy. Bro, first gear is stupid. Bro, it low-key hooks. I don't think I was spinning at all. All right, let's try this again, bro. First gear is addictive. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my dude, okay. I scared the crap out of myself right there. Bro, I hit a little bump and I was driving with one hand, and I don't want to do that again. That was a close one. That was, wow. That scared the crap out of me, not gonna lie. Okay, I don't want to do that again. All right, I get a ton of comments. I get so many comments on my videos saying, Chris, where has your shop neighbor been? I miss your shop neighbor. I miss his reactions, this and that. I've been seeing all your guys' comments, man, and I feel like I haven't told you guys the reason why he hasn't been in the videos. And he moved, actually a while ago. He moved to Las Vegas. So he completely moved out of the shop. He used to be my shop neighbor next to me. Sadly, he moved out of town, which sucks. I know, he used to be so funny in the videos. I used to like get his reaction after everything, like every install. If I did something new, I would show him. He would like, bro, his reactions were priceless. But yeah, it's kind of sad, you know, he's no longer, you know, around the shop area. But I know I see you guys' comments, you know, asking where has he been. I haven't talked to him in a very long time. It's been months. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to FaceTime him, and I'm gonna show him the Mustang, because obviously it wasn't supercharged when he used to live here. But I'm gonna FaceTime him and see if we can get his reaction. I'll go ahead and screen record it too. What's up, bro? What up, bro? Damn. Six pack or what?
Brand new racer.
Damn, brand new? Oh shoot, bro. Six pack.
3 years, retire, brand new house, brand new trucks, brand new toys, brand new side by sides, bro.
Bro, that's nice. How you been, bro? Good? Working?
Yeah, good, bro. Here's my house.
Bro, that's a nice neighborhood.
Noise, my wife's noise here right now. It's in the store.
That's nice.
My truck,
bro.
my trailer, my racer. So what happened, bro? How was you?
I'm good, bro. Hey, the people miss you, dude, on my videos.
Really?
Yeah, they're always asking, oh, where's Joanne? Where's he at? The BBL car?
Mustang?
Yeah, you remember?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Hijo de la verga.
Supercharged, bro.
Mames, güey.
Supercharged, bro. 700 horsepower. It's crazy, huh?
Hey, Chris, you know what? I like more black.
Black, you like it better?
Yeah. Hey.
It's aggressive, huh?
This is different. BBL is same.
Same, bro. Remember, it used to be blue, and I took the wrap off. Now it's black. BBL car, bro. Look at it. BBL.
So, you know what? Maybe next week I'm going to San Diego, so to call you, and I'm going for the shop.
Really? San Diego?
Yeah. Yeah, and one video.
Bro, I'm down. Watch it. You hear the blow-off valve?
Yeah. The air. Man. Bro. Hey, Chris.
Yeah.
You come in for my house, bro. For let's go riding in my racer.
Yeah.
One video in my UTV, bro. Come on.
I'll go to Vegas, yeah? Las Vegas?
What did you coming out, bro? For one video in the racer. Let's go to the mountains.
I'm down, bro.
So, look, in these mountains, me riding, bro, my side by side is quality riding, bro.
Quality riding? Damn.
Quality, bro. It's different life, bro.
It's peaceful, huh? Peaceful?
Yeah, it's my best time over here.
Yeah. Your best life, bro. Six pack. Damn.
Hey, what video, bro?
Damn.
Maybe next week?
Yeah, bro.
Maybe next week I'm going and me call you for one video. Hey, what's up? Chris? How are you, my bro? Oh my God.
Yeah, bro.
But what happened? The Corvette insane or you want?
No, bro. I'll send you a picture right now. Watch. Look, the Corvette looks different.
No.
Bro, the Corvette's crazy, bro. Watch.
Watch.
Like.
No
Hey, air suspension, bro.
Bro, it's like racing car, bro. Damn. Chris, you are top of the line for cars, bro. You are top of the line guy, bro. Really,
Bro,
really, bro.
this is high quality or what?
Hey, so my next step, you working in my Camaro, bro.
Yeah, bro, let me know. Airbags, air suspension, anything.
Everything, like
Everything?
senior style, bro. Bro, that Corvette is crazy, bro.
BBL style? Alright, bro. I'll let you go, man. It was good talking to you.
All right, brother. See you later.
All right, bro.
Hey, bro, your cars.
Thank you,
Top
bro.
of the line, bro.
Top of the line. BBL.
Super high quality.
Oh, man. Alright, bro. I'll talk to you later, okay?
All right, brother.
Later, bro.
See you.
See you. I'm so glad he answered, dude. Heck yeah. Shout out to Joanne, man. I miss that dude. If you're watching this video, I miss you, man. But we'll definitely link up soon, make some content together. I know you guys miss him. Smash the like button, man. Smash the like button for getting him on the vlog. I had to get his reaction of the freaking Supercharged Mustang now. So if you guys don't know, I used to have a Boxer. Unfortunately, he passed away. I think it was like a year ago. I'm not too sure. It's been a while. It's been a very long time. He was 10 years old and he was pretty much with me ever since like high school. But I felt like it was time and I have a surprise to show you guys. Say hi to the vlog. Guys, meet our new dog. He is literally the cutest freaking thing ever. He's a Dachshund mix. He's like a terrier slash shepherd slash dachshund. He's like partially a wiener dog. I've always wanted a wiener dog. I don't know, I just felt like they were so cute and they're just so tiny. But guys, meet the new dog. He is literally the most friendliest thing ever. Like, look, he just wants to like lay with you and like cuddle you. We kind of have two different names. We're either thinking Nacho, we're thinking Nacho or Pogi. Now if you guys are Filipino, you guys know what Pogi means. It pretty much means like cute slash handsome. So kind of like a little Filipino slang word. Yes, I am half Filipino. I always get that question. Everybody always thinks I'm Mexican, but I feel like Pogi kind of fits because obviously he's like kind of small and cute, you know what I mean? But yeah, comment down below. I'm kind of thinking in between those two, or I'm honestly open to anything. I kind of want to name him something like car related, but I'm not too sure. But I don't know, I can't really think of any names. Nothing like corny. I can't name him like freaking TE37 or something. Yeah, it's honestly a super hot day, so he's kind of tired. Yeah, comment down below. What should we name him? So friendly, bro. He's like one of the friendliest dogs I've ever freaking met. Doesn't he look like a golden retriever? Like he literally looks like a miniature version of a golden retriever slash Labrador. But yeah, he's so happy. He's literally always excited to like see me, you know, when I come home. He's always like waiting by the doors. I definitely miss that ever since we lost our Boxer. He was the same exact way. Now we got a little guy. Yeah, help me pick a name. Help me pick a name, because I've been literally trying to think for like the past 3 to 4 days. See, if you stop petting him, he literally reaches for your hand. Watch, I'll pet him, then I'll stop. Bro, he's freaking attached. But yeah, I just want to show you guys before we ended off today's video. I hope you enjoyed another Mustang video. I know it's been a very long time. I'll probably be making more videos with this car. You guys have been asking for some POV videos, so I'm probably gonna make that happen. Some POV driving, you know, some more pulls with the Mustang, POV driving with the Corvette. Honestly, whatever you guys want to see, comment down below. We'll make it happen. Finally got some Subaru content, finally. So I think the next video is gonna be some WRX content. You guys have been asking for that as well, so trying to make everything happen one by one. We got a whole new setup for the WRX. It's gonna be so fire. With all that being said, hope you guys all have a good one today. Make it a good one. You wanna say bye? All right, guys. He says bye. Hope y'all have a good one today. Make it a good one. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.